this is form ply with the shiny side so the cement doesn't stick to it. And it's 250 by 1200 and square. And this is the slab foundation for the new pizza oven. The formwork is in, level and square. So this is the water feature I've got running along here. And I'm just going to tie that in there. So alright, let's lay this slab. Morning after doing the slab, and look, big branch fell on it. What are the chances of that? Right, now it's time to lay the cinder blocks for the foundation. This has proved to be a bit of a mission, but I'm building the mould now on the top so the slab can be poured up there. And yeah, just building the formwork out. Bit of work in it, but we're getting there. Alright, the formwork's all in place. Cut the Rio to size. It's time to do the concrete mix. So this is going to be a pretty big slab. It's 100mm thick. And yeah, let's just hope the formwork holds up. It should. back again and the slab is done. Look at that, what a chunk of concrete. Anyway, we've got to let that dry for a week now, for 7 days. So I'm going to go ahead and order the pizza oven and get ready to set that up. Let's go. Wow, I'm glad that worked. So smooth. Beautiful. My first suspended slab. Pretty proud of that.